Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S23 Ultra, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S23 Ultra. This time I decided to pick up the Samsung Rugged Gadget Case for the S23 Ultra. This one is unique because it has a wallet attachment, but then it also has like a grip or like a handle type of attachment that you can, interchange with both of them. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna see how we like it. Does it add bulk? Can your wireless charge? The overall fit of the case, like we normally do in my case videos. Yes, I've been reviewing different cases. I've been trying out different ones that I normally don't use on any other device before. And I've been finding some winners, so hopefully this is another one. You can get this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. If you use this case, let me know in the comments. We can have a friendly discussion. But let's get into it. You already seen the presentation. Pretty much simple from Samsung. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. Let me see, I have to open this case first. All right, so let's see what you get in there. Okay, this is different. So you have the case itself. You have some instructions. This is the wallet attachment. I'm gonna have to read the instructions to see, but I guess that you put your stuff in there. Man, I like the little honeycomb pattern. It has extra grip on the sides too, which is great. See that grip there? Now, will it add bulk with this attachment on? It definitely will. Okay. Took it off. So they have this like little lock mechanism there. You push it to unlock it, and then you just turn it. Then there is another attachment in here. Oh, so this is the grip. And I think it can act like a kickstand too. And it's pretty strong. But let's see. Let me pause the video. We get all this together. And we can try out these different things. Put the phone in there. And go from there. Okay everyone. So I was able to get them off. You have the wallet. Little clip-on thing here. And then you have the grip / kickstand here. Now, will you carry both of them around? Probably not, but you can change them out if you're going out for the night. You don't want to carry a wallet. You slide your driver license and a debit card or credit card in there, and you can put this on there. Or if you just want an everyday use and have, a grip and a kickstand together, you have this little clip. So that's actually pretty cool. They're easy to get on and off too. Once you figure out, you just want to put this on an angle like this and then turn it. And then that is the wallet. It is stuck on there. It won't come off unless you hit the little unlock button and you turn it 45 degrees. And it's that easy to take on and off. With this, the little grip, it does have little velvet things on the back, but you want to line up these two little lines here. There's a line there, and then you just turn it and you have the attachment. Then you have your hand or grip thing there, but then you also have a kickstand. Let me put the phone in there and see how this thing fits. All right, so here's the phone. Let's see how this bad boy fits in here. It's nice and snug. You can feel how good that was. Power button is nice and tactile. The volume rockers are easy to press. Now, even without the attachment, you have the extra grip. You definitely have, look how much it comes up. It comes up even over the sides. I don't know if my camera will pick that up, but it comes over the sides and you can see the lip protection. Also, look at the precise camera cutout. Even you get the camera protection, even though this is not there, you don't have to worry about it ever touching the bottom. Now, even without this on there, you still will get that camera protection. Now, does it add bulk? Yes, this case will add bulk. These things add bulk. But if you like these type of grips, that is easy to grip onto. But you can watch your YouTube this way. You can watch your phone that way. The thing about this one too is if you want to take it off, you just slide. So slide to unlock. And then what you can do, let me make sure it's turning. You can turn it, what, 45 degrees, 90 degrees? And then you can even watch your phone like this too if you wanted to. So you have a different angle. Now if you want to take it off, 45 degrees, take it off. So if you don't want to rock it with a clip, I guess you can rock it without one. And just have it like that. You still won't touch the camera. But let's see. Will it rock? Rocks a little bit. Not much though. Well, can you wireless charge? I don't think you will be able to because of this magnetic clip here. Oh wait, what? So without the attachment, I can wireless charge. With these attachments on there, you're not gonna be able to wireless charge. So, I mean, I was shocked. I didn't think it would do that. Let's try that again. See, I'm having trouble that time. I guess you gotta find the right spot. There you go. It's not the easiest. Now, in the overall fit, man, nice and snug. The sides, look, I don't know how if I can get that in camera or not, but the sides come over the phone. That is nice. To take it off, yes, you have to really work at, to take this off, definitely fits snug in there. I think you can drop your phone and not worry about damaging it. But here's the wallet again. So 45 degrees, turn it. Now you have the wallet attachment. I probably would use the grip more than I use the wallet, but like I said, if I'm going out, if I don't want to carry a wallet, bam, I have this attached to my phone. But if not, then again, take it off, change it out. This is, I mean, what y'all think? Y'all let me know. Again, if you want to pick this up from Amazon, I will have the links in the description. Again, does it add bulk? Yes. Does it fit really well? Yes. Does the buttons work? Yes. Does it line up at the top? Yes, it does. I almost forgot. Everything lines up at the bottom too. And you have a lot of room to get your pen out. So I don't know if y'all seen that. You do have a lot of room without even fingernails in there. So you have a lot of room. Everything lines up. This is a nice case. Again, if you want to pick it up, look in the description. I will have the links there. That way you can pick it up. You can get both of those attachments in the package already. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.